So this is in the space of about 150 meters. There's a lot of good also happening around us. Here a Pick and Pay teller is helping an old lady to load an app onto her phone. Way to go. And finally, there's been some controversy over these bollards in Klip Road. It's alleged that the doctor's secretary arranged for them to be removed just as soon as they had been put in. This appears to have been approved for the benefit of few and not for the community. But you can see Klip Road is actually a very wide road. Plenty of space for trucks and everybody else to park. Why was parking not made available? Clearly that is what the problem is, rather than just slamming a couple of bollards into the road. And finally, everybody, if you can have a wonderful festive season, whether you're celebrating Hanukkah or Christmas, take it easy. Let's all get to 2026. Cheers!